Right now we're in the bridge in Wawa. On November 12th, uh, Typhoon Ulysses ravaged the whole place. This bridge over here, it used to be a proper bridge. Now it's a makeshift bamboo. This bridge is very important for the communities because without this bridge, it's hard to transport goods. So what now we're doing in support is to participate in a fundraising by RaceYaya. It's a virtual run event. It's free. You can register and you can donate any amount. A minimum of 20 pesos, but 20 pesos for each participant collectively. It's a huge help for them, not just financially. It's good that they know that they're always remembered by the people who visit them. Do so, support them to really help to rebuild this, and hopefully it's gonna be a tougher one. Oh, good morning. Morning. The people here are lovely, so it's hard to forget. Hi, happy Valentine's. It's hard to ignore these people. So Beef and I are running for Wawa. 5K, just 5K. You guys can do more. If you can do more, it's better. Thanks, guys. Please register. Peace. Peace.